talk, just like we've been doing for a little while, but I'm gonna give you a super hard one this time. I know, but because things have been going so well with number talks, where it really has been going well, way better than I thought it would, because I kind of like had an idea of how it would go, and we've surpassed that. So now I'm gonna really lay one on you. Okay, so show me that you're ready. And remember the rules, no talking. That's the hardest part for us in number talks, no talking. Okay, so here's the equation we're gonna do today. Okay, take a look at it. Nope, it's all, you gotta just toss the numbers around in your noggin, no writing stuff down. That's the whole idea. That was a great question she just asked, where she said, can I use my scratch paper and figure it out? The whole idea of number talks is so that you get, your brain gets athletic, so that you're gonna be jumbling all those numbers around in your head and coming out with the right answer in your head. That's the whole idea.
Do I have to come out with the answer?
Yep, of course. Yeah, and remember, like the one time we did it a couple days ago, it's not just, here's an equation that I can do. It has to be an equation to help you solve the problem. It's not just, oh yeah, I can separate this number into 17 different ways, but I can't solve it. That's not what it's all about. It's about solving it. Okay, so take a look. Seen a lot of kids have some answers, but there's still a couple that don't have any answers yet. So we're gonna wait till everyone's got at least one way that they can solve it. Nothing yet? Ready? You have some ideas? Okay. Hand it here just so we can see. There you go. That helps me to be able to see that you're ready. We're almost there. Almost everyone's got an answer now. Okay, I think we're good. So first thing, oh, remember, no talking. First thing we're gonna do is we're gonna be looking for the answer. So if anyone's got an idea of what the answer is gonna be, Liz? 104 is one of the answers. Any other possible answers? 96. Any other possible answers? You had 96 also over there? You had an answer? 104? Okay. Any other answers? Okay, let's go off of those two answers and see how we do. I'm going to make sure I use lots of different colors this time so we can tell whose answer belongs to who. Okay, Diego.
I did 4 times 13.
4 times 13.
I got 15.
That's a good strategy, like it, Ivan?
I did 8 times 13.
Okay. 8 times 13. Okay. The regular standard mathematical algorithm. That's okay. Vanessa?
I know that 3 times 8 is 24. And 8 times 1 is 8. And I added
It looks like, just to kind of help with your own thinking, it looks like when you started out with the 3 times 8, that you were busting up that 13 into a 10 and a 3. And so if we did that, then this second one might be cool if we did a 10 times 8. Because then you'd have the 13 right there. Was that kind of the direction that you were going? And what'd you come up with when you did the 10 times 8?
80.
80. Yeah, that's gonna get you to 104. That's a good one. Daniel?
I did 8 circles and then I put 13
One, two, three, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, okay, there's 13 at each one. And so that'll be 104. Now that definitely gets us to the answer, but remember, that's a good strategy when we're dealing with little numbers. But if we get up to like 72 times 64, making 72 circles and putting 64 dots in each one, it's gonna be a little cumbersome. Fatima?
I added 13 times.
13, 13, 13, 13. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Like this? Okay, and if we do this, what'd you get for your answer when you did that?
104.
Okay, 104. Okay, that's good. Caleb?
So I split the 13 into 10 and 3, and then I split the 8 up into 4 and 4.
Okay, so how did you do your thing then?
So I put 10 and 3 in parentheses, adding, so 10 plus
10 plus 3.
And then I did times 4 plus, in parentheses, 4 plus 4.
Okay,
Equals 104.
but when I do this though, if I bring down, remember we do what's in the parentheses first. So if I do that, then I get 13 times 8. So I'm kind of back where I started. And then you just did the regular algorithm?
Yeah.
But you're doing the angel technique where you're making it more difficult for yourself than you need to. So you broke it all up just to put it back together?
Yay!
Okay. It does work, but it's, yeah, that's the complicated method. Saeed, wait, let me grab a new color. Ah, Saeed. What'd you do? 13 times 2, let's do it one at a time, is 26, times 2 is 52, times 2
The new
is 104.
good job.
That work? Wait, we only have 1, 2, 3, so we're only up to 8. I mean up to 6. Okay, next one. Who else has one? I'm worried to call on you again, Kayla, but I'm gonna go ahead and take that chance. Go ahead, Kayla, what you got?
So I figured out the answer first, and when I figured it out, I did 13 divided by 108. 104.
So, but by doing that, you're not doing what we're trying to do. Now you're taking it in reverse, and so we're not. Who else has a good answer? Who else has a way that they got there? You have one, Haley? I like the look on your face, because I know that the wheels are turning right now. I'm gonna put your name up here, and I wanna hear what you have to say.
So I did 5
5 times 8, and what'd you get for that?
I got 40.
40?
And then I did 10 times 8,
10 times 8,
which will equal 80.
80.
And then I added them,
Okay. So far we have 120.
and then I minus 60.
Minus what?
I minus,
Right now, the way that things are going, you've added it up to where you've got, in this part right here, you've got 15. And we're doing it times 13, so what would be a good thing to minus?
minus 60.
Minus what?
60.
16? Okay, and that will give you 104.
I was just gonna ask
Okay,
that.
and so,
Per head.
yeah, I did that the wrong way actually. So we've got that many eights, so we've got 15 eights, so you're taking away, that's 16, just in case anyone didn't understand where she got that. She now has 15 eights that she's multiplying in this right here. So with that 16, she's taking away 2 of the eights. So she started with 15 eights, and she's taken 2 away, which gives her now 13 eights. That's where that 16 came in there. Okay, Diego, you've got another one? Lay it on me.
I did 13 times 8. Gosh, she's smaller than me.
You did what?
13 times
13 times 9.
and I got 122. And then minus 13.
All right, that works good. Anybody else?
Let me think.
Okay, you got one?
No,
Okay,
I'm
like-
thinking.
What'd you say?
I'm thinking.
No.
You got 10.
Yes.
Audrey?
I
13 times 7. I think you're at 91.
21.
Yeah, because 3 times 7 is 21. Yeah, you'd be at 91. So you have 7 13s so far. So what would be your next step? You have 7 13s, and we need 8 13s. Plus 13, good. 104. Any other ones? Yes, I'm avoiding you, Caleb. Any other ones?
Just get you.
All right, Caleb, what you got?
I did 13 times 10 and then I just.
All right, hey, we got a good one from Caleb. Okay, Caleb's doing 13 times 10. And what'd you get there?
I got 130.
130.
And then I took away 2 13s, so I added 2 13s really quick and then
Oh, so what'd you get when you added 2 13s really quick?
26.
Okay. And then did that come out right?
And then, yeah, 104.
Okay. Okay, I think we're gonna end it there. Really great job, guys. I think you're really getting this number talk thing down. I like where you're going with that. And I like that there were a couple kids who really took risks, especially Audrey and Haley, where the looks on their faces, they looked like this when they first entered. I think I have one. But they went for it, and that's good stuff. That's being a risk taker, which is what we're all about here at this school. So great job, everybody.
Wait.